So we're starting the room tour here. This is the interior cabin. First, when you come in, you have the thermostat, and then you have the switches right there. As soon as you walk in, at least in our room, is going to be the door there. The bathroom looks very spacious, with the shower, of course, being right there. It looks spacious. Could probably fit in there. You walk in, I can fit. Fits pretty well. Actually, it's quite spacious. I don't know if because there's a corner in here. There's actually like a little thing for like when you shave. I actually like it. It's hooks. And then we come out to the main cabin. You of course have a mirror. We have the interior room. Looks very nice. We have a couch, vanity area. We have some storage down there. Storage, a cooler, not a refrigerator. We have some heat outlets right there. Some more storage. Looks really nice. You come around here, back to the closet. We have the bed, and of course, their storage can fit underneath there, which is really cool. We have a closet, of course, your traditional interior room. We have some storage, a safe. The only thing that I will say about this specific interior room is that the closet is very small, at least like the area is very small. So like fitting this suitcase here, putting this suitcase in here is kind of difficult. And this is a big suitcase, but of course, closet opens on both sides. Some bed lights that will turn on.